I'm from Chicago. Just a couple of references that might, okay. Believe half of what you see, none of what you heard. Rely on intuition, tradition is for the birds, raised in the city where they showing pity to the burbs. There's ain't a lot of love in the heart of it. Martyrs on every corner, coroners over arguments. Pardon me if I find it petty. Trying to appreciate the principle before it turns to Armageddon. Cats with 9 lives pray that all dogs go to heaven. Enjoy the rasp in my vocal cords. An open season for people who can't open doors. Not that they was locked, they just chose who they opened for. Said plenty pennies in your wishing wells. My loafer's getting moist. What you thought that you had a choice? You thought that this was a given with no robbing involved? Big talk for small fries. Now how miles of sauce, a young brother looking for clarity. Apparently that ain't too common. I ain't come looking for charity. I ain't coming for parenting. I ain't coming for variance. I'm not here for your quotas. My culture ain't your experience, nor is it an experiment. Pyramids over pentagons, which makes them make mortuaries from synagogues. Preach, they say my people corrupt. I just wish that they wouldn't reach. The pencil and pad kept me out the penitentiary, but I'm serving up sentences for all of those who are listening. My existence ain't never been definitive. It's always been black and white. Just hope my whistle ain't do what Emmett's did. Got me wearing the blackest stripe. Man, it's gonna be a gladdest night if you harmonize. Ain't got no time to ponder why I'll dodge another homicide. The bounty on a black life. It's evident they only getting rich off the melanin, and truth is never televised, and they can't catch the rhetoric, and they can't hold me down because I'm allergic to these sedatives. Purging for virgin is, whispers for certain tears. Listen, my brother, these pistols meant to be curving years. They throw a bullet at their shadow. If it killed the black inside, I'm steady looking towards the light because I'm tired of raising lighters, and I'm tired of reading eulogies. Retired police pursuing me. Messiah, what you doing? It's just you and me. Never asked for a piece of you because I'm not fond of jewelry. Said Jesus pieces on all their features, but my allegiance ain't competing with their anesthesia. Can't keep a black man down, even shadows rise. Blood on the street and it's looking like a sabotage. Stand on my feet in a world full of camouflage. Told me I'd be dead by 25, turned out that's a lie. The only other option was the penitentiary, and I just turned 26, so I guess it's just a victory lap.